Gautam Adani has just gone from the second richest person in the world to looking like he's going to be the next Sam Bankman-Fried or Bernie Madoff. Here's the scoop. All right, a little background here. Gautam Adani is the founder of the Adani Group, which is an Indian-based conglomerate that has 7 companies that trade on the Indian Stock Exchange. As of a couple days ago, Gautam was worth more than Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and Jeff Bezos. Gautam was worth $120 billion, adding over $100 billion to his net worth in the past 3 years, based on meteoric appreciation in those 7 companies' stock price. 891% appreciation. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what Hindenburg Research is saying. 3 days ago, Hindenburg published a research report accusing fraud and stock price manipulation at the highest level of the Adani Group. TBD on whether the accusations get confirmed, but the market is believing what they're reading. Since that report was published 3 days ago, Adani Group stocks have lost $51 billion in value in 3 days. Here's what the report states. Let's start where so many good frauds start. Nepotism at the top. Look at those names. 5 out of the 8 leaders of this company's last name is Adani. So let's take a look at the Adani crew. So here we've got Gautam's younger brother and his brother-in-law, both on the leadership table of the Adani Group, and these two are gems. They're currently being investigated for an illegal diamond trading business. You ever seen the movie Blood Diamond? That's these two. Now let's take a look at maybe the only Adani that's not in a leadership role of the Adani Group. This is the older brother of Gautam, Vinod. Now Vinod is probably not on the leadership table for a reason. Vinod was in charge of running an elaborate scheme of secret shell companies where they shuffled money back and forth to artificially pump the stock prices. Vinod is tied to 38 offshore accounts and is a mastermind of deception. Vinod would shift money back and forth between these accounts and temporarily place the money on the balance sheet of the 7 publicly traded companies before they reported earnings to artificially strengthen their balance sheet and catapult the stock price higher. And in turn, propelling their favorite brother to becoming the second richest man in the world. Gautam and the Adani Group seem to be very, very shady characters, but they are innocent until proven guilty. But just like Bernie and Sam Bankman-Fried, if it looks like a duck, swims like a duck, and quacks like a duck, it's probably a duck.